Hi friends, in today's video I want to quickly show you a nice little feature I've recently discovered about the DJI Mic 2, and that is its ability to be able to act as a Bluetooth microphone for things like iPhone and Android, which is pretty nice. So this actually gives this microphone a whole load of value in the fact that we can now use it as an external microphone. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is switch on the microphone, of course. And so once we do that, we should get a blue light flashing, which means it's ready for pairing or connecting to the phone. I just need to go to my Bluetooth settings, switch on the Bluetooth like so, and notice in a moment it's going to automatically connect to my iPhone. You can see now it says connected here, and the blue light is now solid. That means this guy is connected to the phone. So if I go to something like a voice recorder, and I've actually got something called Road Reporter, which is a free app. Notice at the top here, it actually says external microphone. And so that means we are now connected. And if I tap on the microphone here, notice we have the levels responding on the actual application here to prove that the microphone is working. So that is a pretty nice feature. I was actually quite excited when I saw this because I've now got the ability to basically connect it to myself, use my iPhone, and I've got quite a very high quality microphone for doing vlogging on the phone if I need to do so. Just to prove that's working, if I actually just switch off the microphone for the moment, notice we have here saying internal microphone, so it's back on the microphone on the iPhone, and if I tap on the microphone you can see it's not actually responding, so it does prove it works. Now I did actually notice it does actually connect to the iPhone 8 as well as the iPhone 15, so I'm just going to swap over the cameras because I'm actually currently recording on the iPhone 8 just to prove that works. Okay, so here I have my crappy old iPhone 8, and I just want to show you that it also works not just on the iPhone 15 or a newer phone, but also quite an old phone like this. So what I want to do, of course, is switch on our Bluetooth on our phone, and then just switch on the microphone once, of course, and so we see the blue light. Now you should see that it actually says connected almost straight away. So if you find it doesn't connect straight away, what you need to do is just press and hold the link button here just under the blue light until the blue light starts flashing, and then just click on it where it says DJI Mic here, and it should almost immediately connect back up again. Alright, so we are now connected. If I just go to my Road Reporter application, which I have here, notice just like on the iPhone 15 it says external microphone. So we are now using the microphone, so I'm just going to tap into the microphone, and you can see it's actually responding perfectly fine. If I actually switch off the microphone, it immediately goes back to internal microphone, showing it's now using the microphone on the phone itself. So when I found this little feature out, I was actually pretty excited because this now makes this a microphone a lot more versatile and powerful than the previous versions, because not only we got internal storage, so we can use this as almost a little audio recorder, but we can also now use the Bluetooth feature to use our phones as a wireless vlogging solution. So of course you can just record a microphone and do your video on the phone, or you can actually record directly to the phone using Bluetooth and use this as like a backup audio source on the microphone itself. So okay guys, I hope you find that useful. If you do, of course, I appreciate a like and a comment, and of course I'm really trying to get my channel up to 1,000 subscribers. I need all your help to get there, because just to secure the future of the channel going forward. Okay, take care, and I shall see you soon on another video.